Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your Google Slides presentation. So once you're inside Google Slides, if you're on the home dashboard here, you can click the three dots to the lower right hand side of any slide, and you have the rename option here, or the rename button. You can simply go ahead and you can rename it. So I'm going to say my slides, for example, and go ahead and click in OK. And that's going to basically rename the file or the presentation. Another way is to simply open up that file, and on the upper left hand side you will have the name of the document. You can simply click in that area and you can make changes to the name. So let's say I want to not delete everything or change the word entirely, but to go ahead and put a space between it. I can go ahead and I can do that, or I can remove the my and I could say slide presentation or something like that, or slide press if I want to call it like that. Hit enter and the file is renamed. And if I go back to my slides home here, my home dashboard, you can see that it's renamed as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to rename your presentations, or how to rename your Google Slides presentations on Google Slides. Very easy and very simple.